See, there has been a long felt need and demand that we should have some setup from the government side to help people who want to go to the airport, the Guwahati airport from here. So keeping that in mind, MTC has on 6th of July, they have started the service. At present, we are having just one trip and we are in fact planning to introduce the another one because the demand is quite good and we are getting good response. So this starts at around 7 o'clock in the morning from Police Bazaar in Shillong, and from Guwahati airport the return is at 11 o'clock. We have made this keeping in mind the schedule of the flights which land in Guwahati airport and the kind of load of passengers to take the service from Shillong to Guwahati and from Guwahati to Shillong. So the response is quite good and we have kept a very reasonable charge for that. It is 400 rupees per seat, and it's a very good bus which is almost a superior kind of comfort level and going by the response of the public, we intend to introduce another maybe towards the afternoon timing from here, so that people can go and catch evening flights to from Guwahati, and then return from Guwahati would be roughly around 3 to 4 o'clock.
Sir, any plans for the Shillong airport, sir, to run similar services?
See, definitely we will be looking into that aspect. As you are aware that we are now in the expansion phase, so maybe this would be not a very good time to introduce, but we are exploring that possibility also. So we have, we have taken all the precautions. This tender has been taken out keeping in mind the standard procedures which the Ministry of Home Affairs has defined it, and all the safety precautions are taken into account. And then as far as the final call on whether to fly or not depending on the weather conditions is always taken by the pilot, and we go by that. If the helicopter is not flying, it is only for these reasons that the weather is not permitting to fly, otherwise we are flying.